Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Made Easy, your podcast to learn real English naturally. I'm Lily, your teacher for today.
Hi, I'm Ethan. I'm excited to learn.
That's great, Ethan. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about yourself in English. This is very important when you meet someone new.
Yes, I always feel nervous about introducing myself.
Don't worry, that's completely normal. We'll go slowly, step by step. Let's start with something very simple, your name.
Okay, how do I say it correctly?
You can start with, "Hi, my name is Ethan."
Hi, my name is Ethan.
Perfect. And if someone asks, "What's your name?" you can reply the same way. My name is Ethan.
My name is Ethan. Got it.
Excellent. Next, we can add where you are from. You can say, "I am from your city or country." For example, I am from Los Angeles.
I am from Los Angeles.
Very good. So now you can say, "Hi, my name is Ethan. I am from Los Angeles."
Hi, my name is Ethan. I am from Los Angeles.
Perfect. Now let's practice your age.
Oh, I feel a little shy.
That's okay. You can just say, "I am 20 years old."
I am 20 years old.
Excellent. Now we can combine everything. Hi, my name is Ethan. I am from Los Angeles. I am 20 years old.
Hi, my name is Ethan. I am from Los Angeles. I am 20 years old.
Amazing. Next, let's talk about your hobbies or interests. This makes your introduction more interesting.
Hobbies? Like what I like to do?
Exactly. You can say, "I like reading books," or "I enjoy playing soccer."
I like playing video games and listening to music.
Very nice. So now your full introduction could be, "Hi, my name is Ethan. I am from Los Angeles. I am 20 years old. I like playing video games and listening to music."
Hi, my name is Ethan. I am from Los Angeles. I am 20 years old. I like playing video games and listening to music.
Excellent, Ethan. Now let's practice asking questions. When you meet someone, you can ask, "What is your name?" or "Where are you from?"
Okay, so I can ask, what is your name?
Exactly. And someone might answer, "My name is Lily." Then you can ask, "Where are you from?"
Where are you from?
"I am from Chicago."
Oh, that's interesting.
Yes. Now, let's add one more thing, your job or school. You can say, "I am a student," or "I work as a teacher."
I am a student.
Perfect. Now, let's put everything together for a full introduction. Repeat after me. Hi, my name is Ethan. I am from Los Angeles. I am 20 years old. I like playing video games and listening to music. I am a student.
Hi, my name is Ethan. I am from Los Angeles. I am 20 years old. I like playing video games and listening to music. I am a student.
Wonderful. That's a complete introduction. You can say this slowly and naturally to anyone.
Thank you so much, Lily. I feel more confident now.
You're welcome, Ethan. Remember, the key is to practice every day. Don't worry about mistakes. Confidence is more important than perfection.
I will practice with my friends too.
That's perfect. And listeners, try introducing yourself in front of a mirror or to a friend. Say your name, where you are from, your age, your hobbies, and your school or job.
I like doing this slowly. It feels fun.
Yes, English is about communicating naturally, not just grammar.
Thanks, Lily. I can't wait to meet new people now.
Great job today, Ethan. And thank you all for listening. Keep practicing, and remember, English is fun when you use it every day.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. See you next time.